Hello guys, welcome back. If your AT&T BGW320 router is showing a flashing red light, it usually means the device is not able to establish a proper internet connection, which can leave you completely offline. This can happen due to issues like signal loss, loose fiber connections, temporary service interruptions, or internal system glitches. The red light is essentially the router's way of telling you that something isn't right with the connection process. Instead of waiting for it to fix itself, it's important to check a few key areas step by step so you can quickly restore your internet. Most of the time, the issue can be resolved without any technical support if you follow the correct process. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the flashing red light and get your connection back up and running. Try these. 1. Check all cables connected to the router and ensure they are firmly plugged in. 2. Restart the router by unplugging it, waiting for a minute, and plugging it back in. 3. Inspect the fiber cable and make sure it is not damaged or loose. 4. Wait a few minutes after restart for the router to fully reconnect. 5. Place the router in an open area to avoid signal interference. 6. Contact AT&T support if the red light continues flashing after all steps.